GLK screwdrivers offer best value pricing for high-quality production tools. GLK screwdrivers have a plus-minus 1.5% accuracy in both clockwise and counterclockwise directions. All new units include a screwdriver with a 1/4-inch square drive, a 1/4-inch square to 1/4-inch hex magnetic adapter which fits any 1/4-inch hex bit, spare battery, carrying case, and one Phillips bit. An optional 1/4-inch ratchet is also available. All new units include a calibration certificate traceable to NIST, with an optional ISO 17025 calibration available. GLK Digital Torque Screwdrivers feature 5 programmable go-no-go torque presets. Once a preset is selected, press the plus or minus buttons to change the value. Holding a button down will change the value rapidly. Once the desired torque value is reached, press and hold the M button to save the value. Torque presets enable users to easily check frequently used torque values. Between 90 and 99% of the preset value, the LED indicator flashes and an intermittent beep sounds. At 100% and over, the LED indicator stays lit and a continuous beep sounds. The DID-4A is an ultra-accurate screwdriver with a rechargeable battery and a USB output. The DID-4A features an accuracy of plus-minus 0.5% of full scale in both clockwise and counterclockwise directions. All new units include a screwdriver with a 1/4-inch square drive, a 1/4-inch female hex adapter, 2 1/4-inch Phillips tips, AC adapter charger, and carrying case. An optional 1/4-inch ratchet is also available. All new units include a calibration certificate traceable to NIST, with an optional ISO 17025 calibration available. There are several more options for torque presets on the DID-4A. The target torque range has been set to between 5 and 5.50 inch-pounds. Once the value is within the programmed range, the LED indicator will light green and the screwdriver will beep once. The screwdriver also features an 800 data internal memory. Simply clear the data to add the reading to memory. Using SW1SV USB software, the DID-4A's memory can be exported directly into Excel. The software will automatically graph results and calculate statistics, min, max, mean, standard deviation, and more. The screwdriver can also take peak or real-time readings with the instrument connected.